Namaste students. In last video I explained range validator control. Now in this video I am going to explain regular expression validator control. This control is used to check the value of given control against a specific expression like email ID. It is used to check the value of control against string value, numeric value, alphabetic value, etc. A regular expression is a powerful pattern matching values that can be used to identify simple or complex character sequence that would otherwise require writing to perform. With use of regular expression validator control, you can check a user's input based on some specific pattern like pin code, so that should be in 6 digit, or mobile number that should be in 10 digit and only number is allowed, in also pin code number is allowed. And if you want to check like country code plus 91, then you can check with regular expression. So particularly any expression you want to check, then you can use regular expression validator control. Or you want to check email ID, so anyone is entering text, then it will display error message, but anything with that is not email ID, okay, so that will display message. But if user is entering in proper format, then it will allowed by regular expression control. Now giving one example related to regular expression validator control. So first table, insert table. I'm adding 6 row and 2 column, alignment center, percentage is 30 percentage. Okay, now giving heading here. So first need to modify cell and merge cell, align equal to center, and this for this TD tag. Heading example of regular expression validator control. I am adding one label here to display proper message and adding one text box here. After that I am adding one validator control, regular expression validator control. First text for label, okay, enter email ID, setting text box name txt email, and now setting regular expression validator control property, error message, please enter in valid format. Okay, now applying one submit button here. Okay, I hit submit button and applying text. Now other properties of regular expression validator control. Control to validate, that one is common property for validator control. Setting txt email. At this time only one value we can see here because only one text box is there. Otherwise like તમારા રજિસ્ટ્રેશન ફોર્મ હોય તો ઘણા બધા કંટ્રોલ્સ તમે જેટલા લીધા હશે એટલા કંટ્રોલ્સ ત્યાં તમને શો કરશે. Then next one, validation expression. Here one value, internet email address. So you no need to write expression, you can also create expression in validation expression. You can use custom and can create one expression. Here already email address is given, so I am just selecting it and clicking on OK button. Now let's check output. Here I am entering only ABC value, ABC. Then it's showing please enter in proper format. Now entering number, same error. Now abc@yahoo.com. Now we can see it's in a proper format, so no error message. One more example, if you want to get web address from the user, website URL, one text box and range validator control. First setting this text box ID txt URL and error message, please enter in valid format. Okay, by mistakenly I took range validator, regular expression validator. Please enter in valid format. Now here I am selecting internet URL and clicking on OK and selecting control to validate txt email, not txt email but txt URL. Okay, now let's check. Here I am entering ABC, then it's showing error. Now here I am entering www.mvmcollegerajkot.com. Also I need to enter http:// and then www.mvmcollegerajkot.com. Now it's not showing error, so it's in a proper format. So with regular expression we can set expression like this. One more example for mobile number. Enter mobile number. Number should be 10 digit. Okay, text box, one regular expression. Setting text box name txt mob, and now in regular expression, control to validate txt mob. Error message, please enter mobile number in valid format. Okay, now here you can enter validation expression also. So I am giving value 1. Here I pass 7-9 in square bracket. That means number should start from 7, 8 or 9. Then that number only one number, and after that from second number to 10th number we can use 0 to 9, I mean any number, right? 0 to 9 any number, and total 9 digit of 0 to 9 and 1 digit from 7, 8 and 9. ફરીથી એકવાર રિપીટ કરું છું. 7, 8 અને 9 એમાંથી એક નંબર હોવો જોઈએ, અને 0થી ને 9 સુધી એટલે કે એની નંબરમાંથી ને ટોટલ 9 ડિજિટ હોવા જોઈએ, રાઈટ? તો આવી રીતે આપણે રેગ્યુલર એક્સપ્રેશન્સ પણ રેડી કરી શકીએ છીએ. રેગ્યુલર એક્સપ્રેશન્સ રેડી કરવા માટે થઈને હજી એક તમને થોડીક ટેક્સ્ટ જે છે એ હમણાં આપું છું. ફર્સ્ટ વી વિલ ચેક આઉટપુટ ઓફ ધીસ એક્ઝામ્પલ. Okay, here I am passing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total there are 10 digits, but still showing error because I said that only starting number is allowed 7, 8, 7, 8 or 9. So I am setting now 7 working, 8 working, 9 working. Here I am setting again 2 not working. I am setting 7 working. Now 11 digit, so it's not working. 10 digit, okay, proper. There are some symbols for creating regular expression like this. Okay, one is W, specifies any word character like alphabets, number or underscore. Then small d, any digit. Capital D, any character. Then small s, specify any white space character like tab or space. Capital S, specify any non-white space character. Then one of the given choice like or ની સાઇન આપણે યુઝ કરતા હોય એના જેમ. Next one provides a range, square bracket for square bracket, provides a range of character or set of characters. Then next one, provide a range of characters not to be included in the input list. Next one, star 0 or more numbers of characters. Then plus 1 or more number of characters. This is main difference between this. For in star 0 or any number, any of number, any ગમે તેટલા નંબર હોઈ શકે, and in plus minimum one number is required, or any number of characters you can pass. Then curly bracket provide a range of character or set of characters to be included in input list. So there are all symbols to use to create regular expression. You can create a regular expression with the use of these symbols, and there are more symbols you can also find on net. Just search ASP.NET regular expression symbols. ઓકે, આટલા જે છે એ એક બેઝિક છે. આના સિવાય તમને ઘણા બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ મળી જશે ઓર બીજા થોડા ઘણા સિમ્પલ્સ આવી શકે છે, પણ આટલા જે છે એ બેઝિક છે, આ ધ્યાનમાં રાખવા જોઈએ. ઓકે, આ ટોપિક અહીંયા આપણે કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ છીએ. થેન્ક યુ.